Hey, I feel much better than I did yesterday. That's good. We'll see how the day progresses. But for now, feeling alright. Rory likes the new bar stools. Pretty cute.
Over there.
Did you have hummus?
Yeah.
Yum. Baby Steel's just hanging out with his stuff. Hi. Hi. What'd you get? Get the panda bear? Pretty cute. Kayla is like a day behind me, so I assume that she's gonna be real sick today. And then she'll feel better Friday. So we'll see. So, what's the weather outside?
It's 35 degrees Fahrenheit and snow.
I guess it is snowing a little bit. It's laying down. Weird.
Hit the backwards button. Hit the backwards button. Backwards! Right, now you can go forwards. Which one is backwards and which one is forwards? That's forwards.
The foot. The foot.
Nope, this one. This one's forward. Oh, I wonder if we lost a battery or something. There it goes. Backwards. Forwards.
I got it.
Alright, we played with it, now let's figure out how it works. You're controlling it, you know. Makes you wanna dance and lick your teeth.
Kayla is definitely got the sick going on. We have not even heard her yet, and it's already like 10:30. So she had what I had. She's sleeping good. Baby Steel got the jumps. Rory's decorating something. Super close up.
Baby.
Really big?
Yeah.
Alright, whatever you want, girl. We're gonna warm up some bread for our mid-morning snack. What?
I'm ready.
I don't know what you're saying.
Baby.
Buddy?
Yeah.
Birdie?
Yeah. Yeah.
This counter being here is pretty nice, so she can like sit and hang out. And just, while mom and her dad cooks, they can hang out at the countertop. I think this island and stools is a win. Do you want to color a real picture? I can get you some paper and some pencils and you can color a real picture. Okay.
Now